Carbon and compounds. This chapter is divided into 4 parts. 1. Physical properties, bonding in carbon and occurrence in nature.
2. Hydrocarbons and its types, functional groups and IUPAC naming.
Number 3. Chemical reactions involving carbon compounds, ethanol and ethanoic acid.
4th. Soaps and detergent.
Carbon has atomic number 6 and it has atomic mass 12.
This means that carbon has a configuration of 2,4. Hence, it has 2 electrons in the inner shell and 4 in the outermost.
Therefore, it requires 4 more electrons to complete its octet. Carbon can either lose 4 electrons or gain 4 electrons, but does none of them, as in order to do so, it requires a large amount of energy which is not present. So what does carbon then do?
It shares 4 electrons. 2 or more atoms share electron in order to become stable and forms bond, and such bonds are known as covalent bonds.
Oxygen has 6 electrons in its outermost shell,
whereas hydrogen has only 1. Oxygen requires 2 electrons, so it takes 1 each from the hydrogen. Whereas hydrogen requires 1 more, so it takes 1 from oxygen. And now we have our H2O molecule ready.
Similarly, carbon has 4 electrons in the outermost shell and oxygen has 6.
Carbon requires 4 more electrons, so it shares 2 each from the 2 oxygens. And oxygen too shares 2 electrons from the carbon atom. And this time we have our CO2 molecule ready. Similarly, you guys and girls can try CH4, NH3 and C2H6. Allotropes, the property due to which an element exists in nature in 2 or more than 2 forms is known as allotropy, and its forms are known as allotropes.
carbon has 3 allotropes, that is graphite, diamond and Buckminster fullerenes. Graphite has good electrical conductivity, it acts as a lubricant and has a layered structure. The pencil we use has its lead made of graphite.
Diamond has complex structure, good optical property. It is the hardest substance on the planet Earth. For example, go and ask your mummy to show you a diamond pendant. The most sparkling part of it is diamond.
Buckminster fullerene is made up of 60 carbons and it has a football-like structure. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more.